The Prime Minister is campaigning in Kolkata. That's a big story, and there's a huge political showdown in Polbound, West Bengal, where there is a massive rally in the Brigade Parade ground in Kolkata this afternoon. The Prime Minister is going to be arriving in Kolkata in about an hour from now and then address the crowds at 2 p.m. The BJP is expecting a massive footfall at this event. Kailash Vijayvargiya has personally handed over invitations to the people in Kalighat for the Prime Minister's mega show of strength.
का तो बहुत खुश है, बंगाल में परिवर्तन आ रहा है, दीदी को हटा रहा है, मोदी जी फिर दूसरा परिवर्तन ला रहा है, इसलिए तो हम लोग बहुत खुश में है अभी।
बहुत हमारा जो गाड़ी हम लोग बुक किया था वो भी तृणमूल का नेता में हमारा तो गाड़ी को सब कुछ डिसमिस कर दिया, लेकिन हम लोग सब ट्रेन में आया था। मोदी जी के बंगाल में मोदी सरकार का लाएंगे, अच्छा से सोनार बांग्ला बनाएंगे।
मिठुन जी आएगी ममता का उलट करने के लिए। ये बंगाल में ममता दी उल्टा हो गया।
About the fact that Mithun Chakravarti also, remember, is all set to join the party. That is expected at 1 this afternoon. He's had several meetings with Kailash Vijayvargiya, also Mohan Bhagwat of the RSS in the past. Obviously fueling speculations then that he will be joining the Saffron party. Whether or not he contests is something that the BJP hasn't really opened up about just yet, but he's certain to be at the rally at 1 today, and he's going to be joining the Bharatiya Janata Party is what we've been reporting on. The battle for the state of Bengal has intensified, and Suryagni, my colleague, is at Brigade Ground in Kolkata. Suryagni, the last time the Prime Minister was there at Brigade Ground, the iconic Brigade Ground, it was a sea of humanity. A lot of people had come to, in fact, hear the Prime Minister speak. The big question here, will the BJP be able to topple the Mamata Banerjee government in the state of West Bengal? Will the Prime Minister's charisma work here as well?
Well, Sneha, what we need to understand over here is that ever since morning when we arrived at the ground, we have seen and we have shown rather how people from different districts have been pouring in. BJP supporters mostly, whosoever we spoke to had only one answer, that they are here to hear what Narendra Modi speaks. So no matter what, you know, if they are BJP supporters or not, the Narendra Modi factor is still very, very important. At least that is what something we are understanding at Brigade Parade Ground. These people with me, I just asked them from where they are. दादा कहाँ से आए हो आप?
हम बैरकपुर से आए।
बैरकपुर से आप किस लिए आए हो?
अपना ये जो सरकार चल रहा है यहाँ पीसी भाईपो की, ये काटमांडी की सरकार चल रहा है, इसको
आप आज नरेंद्र मोदी की सभा है, सभाएं बहुत होती है लेकिन आज भीड़ ज्यादा लग रहा है, ये क्या सिर्फ नरेंद्र मोदी की सभा है
इसीलिए तो है ये है, लेकिन इस सभा से हम लोग एक मैसेज देना चाहते हैं पीसी भाईपो की, जो आपकी सरकार, आपको जो चोरी की जो सरकार चल रहा है, ये बंगाल की जनता बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगा। जस्ट इसी के चेतावनी देने के लिए हम लोग नरेंद्र मोदी जी के सामने रखकर आज ये सभा होने जा रहा है।
See, these people have the individual that we spoke to, and this group has come from Barakpur. Earlier we spoke to people who came from Murshidabad, Dinajpur, Birbhum. So these are, you know, these are far off places throughout the length and breadth of the state. We are seeing that people are, you know, coming for this particular brigade rally today. We still don't know the official figures of today's, of today's brigade parade ground.
Yes.
The official figures will be announced by the police as well, and of the BJP party as well. That needs to be seen. As I can show you, you can see, this is another group. They are from Kalyani. आप लोग कहाँ से आए हो? কোথা থেকে এসেছেন আপনারা? কোথা থেকে এসেছেন? কল্যাণী থেকে এসেছি। কল্যাণী নদিয়া। এটা কি শুধু নরেন্দ্র মোদির সভা বলেই এত দূর থেকে এসেছে? এত দূর থেকে এসেছি। এত দূর থেকে এসেছি। This particular crowd, this particular group, they have come from Kalyani. Kalyani is, somewhat some 100 kilometers east of Kolkata. So as I was, pointing out that the outpour has been from different districts and not from one particular area for this particular rally. And the main reason is that people are here, BJP supporters are here to listen in to what Narendra Modi says. Back to you, Sneha.
All right, thanks a lot. Suryagni getting us those details. He's at the Brigade Ground. Meanwhile,
hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, Like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.